Alright, so today I'm making romesco garlic shrimp with zucchini noodles, and I've already peeled and spiraled my zucchini right here. And one nutritional benefit of zucchini is that it's high in fiber and it has vitamins A, B, and C, and it's also a lower carb option as opposed to regular pasta. So now that the oil is hot, I'm going to add the onion and just let that cook for about 2 minutes until it's translucent. And now that my onion looks translucent, I'm going to add the 2 cloves of garlic and just stir that together. So I've already peeled and deveined my shrimp right here, so I'm just going to put them in the skillet and toss them in the onion and garlic. And my next step is to add 1/4 cup of water to the skillet. And then I'm just going to cover it with a lid and let the shrimp cook for about 4 minutes. Okay, so it's been about 5 minutes. I'm going to check on my shrimp. And it looks done, so I'm going to transfer it to a serving bowl and season it with salt and pepper. So now I'm going to cook my zucchini noodles. So I've got a pot of boiling water here. I'm just going to place this colander in there and cover it and let them steam until they're al dente in texture. So this is my finished product. I topped it off with some parsley and I have some romesco sauce in the fridge that I'm going to put on it. But yeah, that's it. Thank you.